guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is sponsored by Unice Hair. I feel like I haven't been sitting in front of the camera for a while now. Like I feel like things have been slowing down, but nevertheless we are back, and I am collabing today with Unice Hair, and they sent me this kinky curly, I think it's V part wig. I think it's V part. It's V part. Anyways, yeah. I'm just gonna show you guys what they sent me inside the box, like I always do. So they sent me this little care package with some clips I could use. I think I have, you know how many of those clips I have now? Some lashes. These lashes are thick. And some scarves. Ooh, okay. I think there's something else inside the box as well. Oh, there's a lot of stuff inside the box. They did send me a stocking cap as well, but I used the stocking cap. But one came. I don't know what this is. Oh, actually, headband. Or like a, yeah, a headband. Elastic band. I think you could use this for when you're like molding your lace and your baby hairs. You can use this. This is a bit big, but yes. What? Wait, what is this? Oh my gosh, guys, I'm going to change and do my hair. This is the first time oh my goodness, I got a robe. This is super cute, and it has like Unice on the back. This is so cute. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna change in this and do my video. Unice on the side. Jeez, actually I'm gonna change and do my video in this. I don't care. I didn't know. I'm gonna be right back type of thing. And I think this is to go around the, I'm gonna go change in this. Yeah, I'm gonna go do that. Like, I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back and I'm Unice ready. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like, this is so cute. I love robes. So anyways, let me show you guys because I got carried away for a second with this robe. The wig. So this is what the wig looks like. My hair is straight right now, so I'm going to have to do a lot of like, I'm probably just gonna wet it with some curling activator and some water. I have to wash my hair anyways, so it's fine. But this is what the wig is looking like. This is a kinky curl. It's not my curl texture, but I feel like I can blend it for it to look like it. So let's go ahead and do that. I almost wanted to use like a wand to do the curls, but then I don't know. I think that's gonna be a lot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pretty much just put this on my head. Right now the preparation of my hair is not really on the right track, but it's not about the preparation, it's about how the hair comes out, right? Yeah, I couldn't really braid it properly because one of my nails and two, my hair is straight, so it keeps slipping. If my hair was curly, then I could have like did it, but this is how I have it right now. And yeah, I just wrapped up the back. This is curly hair, so the back won't, like, you know, because already curly, it won't show that it's not properly done in the back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig, and I'm going to let you guys watch.
It's a
guys, so I already knew that this was not going to really match my hair texture, because my hair texture, like, my curls aren't like too loose, but my curls aren't too tight. So these curls are a little bit tighter for my natural curls, but I like it. I like the way it blended still. Like, it still came out cute, you know. Like, I actually love it, and it looks very natural. And you know, that's what we're always going for. You don't want to be wearing a wig and as somebody see us and they're like, she has a wig on. Like, people need to see you and ask you, is that your hair or is it a wig, type of thing, you know. So I feel like with this I could almost get away. The fact that my hair at the front is shorter than the rest, for some reason I like the layered look. Maybe I can, like, that's what I'm gonna do actually. Maybe I'm gonna layer right here so it looks like, you know. I know for sure I just cut my hair, but you know what, it's fine. I like the layered look. Like, I feel like it gives the illusion like it's my hair. I like it. Okay, so this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The links to the wig will be down in the description box. So the link to the wig, the link to the website, and anything else that I need to tell you guys that I forgot to mention while I was doing this video will be in the description box as well. Honestly guys, I love this wig. Like, I love the way it came out. It came out cute. Like, it's a little almost like a protective style when you don't want to leave out your entire hair. Like, I feel like summertime is coming, like, well, not coming up, wait, it's summertime. Duh. I feel like it's a good summer wig, like when you don't want to do too much, if you're in a hurry and you need to like go. I feel like this wig is perfect, especially if you have curly hair. Like, guys, I love it. It's cute. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. And also, thank you Unice here for sponsoring this video. I love my robe. It's very cute and it's giving me like, I don't know, it's giving me like mature vibes type of thing. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.